So Wellcome Trust is a charitable foundation that focuses specifically on healthcare related issues, and the team I work for, which is a priority program called Drug Resistant Infections, focuses specifically on antimicrobial resistance, so AMR. And we try to tackle that problem by setting ourselves very ambitious goals, and the timeline for making a change or a difference is 5 to 10 years, and our budget is £175 million. Wellcome Trust is a completely independent organisation. We have our own endowment of £27 billion, and we reinvest that money and live off the profit, which is roughly £1 billion a year, and that's what we use to finance healthcare related initiatives, including antimicrobial resistance. So the financing strategy of Wellcome as an organisation is to always target the biggest healthcare challenges that humanity face. Our programme, as I mentioned, as a priority programme, focuses specifically on AMR, which is a big issue, targeted most people, or all the people, and especially the burden of AMR will be problematic for people from low and middle income countries. The strategy is to tackle it in a comprehensive manner. So first of all, we try to provide evidence for policymakers, hence we support projects around surveillance and epidemiology to make sure that we actually understand what the real burden of AMR is. We also focus a lot on drug-resistant infections in a way that we know we need new treatments, and that's where our big partnership with Karbix comes, and we dedicated 125 million towards Carb-X, and we work quite closely with them to make sure that we actually can develop new treatments, so traditional antibiotics, alternative treatments, preventatives such as vaccines, and diagnostics for AMR. But comprehensively, we also focus on global governance, advocacy and policy. So Carb-X as a funder is a very interesting organisation. It's a truly global public-private partnership, and it has a range of funders including governments and philanthropic organisations such as Wellcome, but it also has a global accelerator network comprised of 9 different world-class organisations, and it's a model where Carb-X fund research within AMR and innovations related to AMR, but also supports companies throughout the journey of product development. So every company that joins Carb-X gets an accelerator or at least one that helps them throughout the journey, and Carb-X works very closely with those accelerators to match the right accelerator with the right company and the right needs they have, and most of the support comes as an in-kind contribution to those product developers.